Hi everybody, it's Connie. Welcome today. I have a 3-ingredient apple cake that I can't wait to show you how to make. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started on this yummy cake. First of all, you're going to need 1 cake mix, and I have the spice cake in the Betty Crocker Delight, and it's super moist. So you will need a mixer for this, just so you know. So a hand mixer will do, or if you've got a KitchenAid like mine, great. I have my beater in here for cake mix. So you're going to pour the cake mix in, and then you're going to need 1 20-ounce can of pie filling in the apple pie filling. So I'm just going to pour that in here, just like this, and get all of it out. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's a beautiful day where I'm at today, and I hope it is where you're at also. Okay, I've just about got all these apples out. What you'll need next is 4 eggs, and I cracked them in my bowl here because I want to make sure they're okay. And then we're just going to turn our mixer on and add 1 egg at a time to our mixture here. I'll blend that really well. Put our eggs in. Just like this. Hey, now you want a 13x9 baking dish, and I just hit it with a little of my nonstick spray. And my mixture is all mixed together. I beat it for about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. This is what it'll look like. There will be chunks of apple in here. You're just going to pour it in here just like this in our baking dish. Okay, once I get this all poured in here, I want to make sure that it's all smooth and that it's all even on the sides because we want our cake to cook evenly. And I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. And I think I've just about got this even, just like that. And now we're going to bake this yummy cake for about 25-30 minutes. I'll be back to show you how great it is. Wasn't that easy? Oh my gosh. And guess what? I have a fabulous frosting, so you'll want to stay tuned. Okay, our cake is out of the oven. Look how delicious this looks. Let's get started on this great frosting here. You're going to need 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, and I've kind of already started whipping these together just a little bit to kind of get them creamed together. And then you're going to need 3 cups of powdered sugar, and we're just going to start incorporating that in with our butter. 1/2 cup of brown sugar to the mixture. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, like this. Let it get all incorporated. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. Get it all creamed together. I just want to remind you guys, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel, like and share it. You guys are doing great. I love it all. And don't forget to comment. Let me know if you make the cake. Okay, and then let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to this mixture. Like so. Let it all cream together for another minute or 2. Okay, so my frosting is already whipped together and it looks so good. And I'm just going to put this on my cake, just like this. And we're going to frost it up. Then we're going to taste it. Okay, you guys, my cake is frosted. I'm going to cut into it, and we're going to see how yummy this cake is. It looks so moist and delicious, and this icing truly will make a big difference on this cake. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is. It's thick, moist, and that frosting's fabulous. Look at this cake. I hope you'll go share the love and tell somebody you love them. Until next time, thank y'all for joining me. Always love it when you tune in. Love you guys. Bye.